Stop overpaying for the new Mac. The M1 chip handles everything a college student actually does: notes, office, Zoom calls, coding in VS Code, and streaming, all smooth and silent. Here is the part nobody tells you. The base 256GB M2 Air actually has a slower SSD than the M1 Air because Apple used a single chip instead of two. A refurbished M1 Air costs 30 to 40,000 rupees less than the new one. Put that money toward a 512GB refurb or an external monitor that actually boosts productivity. Follow TechTideTV for India-priced Apple buying advice.